Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Today we're going to make lion's head meatballs. So you might be wondering why is it called lion's head? That's because these meatballs are so gigantic that they look like lion's head. We're not using lion meat here or anything, so don't worry and let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to break the tofu into very small pieces. To prepare the ground pork, on a cutting board, we're going to chop the ground pork until they become very fine in texture for 3 to 5 minutes. The ratio of the pork here is 30% fat and 70% lean. Now we're going to transfer the ground pork into the mixing bowl and give them a good mix. We're going to also add in the eggs, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, salt, white pepper, ginger, scallions, cilantro stems, cornstarch, and sesame oil, chicken stock, and mix until it becomes a paste. Scoop about 3/4 cup of the paste and shape it into a meatball. Brush a very thin layer of flour on the meatball. The flour will help to seal the moisture of the meatball inside, so it's juicy and nice. And we're gonna place it on a plate and do the same with the rest of the paste. In a pan over high heat, add in the canola oil. You could also use other high smoking point cooking oil. And we're gonna heat it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Deep fry the meatball until they're halfway cooked and have a golden color for about 3 minutes. In a large clay pot over medium heat, add in the canola oil, ginger, scallions, cinnamon, and star anise. Stir fry until aromatic for about 20 seconds. And now we're gonna add in the sugar and stir fry until melted for about 3 minutes. And this will give the meatballs a beautiful red shade. Pour in the water, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and Shaoxing wine. Place the white stalk of Napa cabbage in the clay pot and put the meatballs over the cabbage. Cover the meatballs with the green leaves of the cabbage. Cover the lid. Bring to a simmer. Turn to low heat. Continue to simmer for 40 minutes. It is full of flavors. The meatball itself is tender, juicy, and fluffy. It also has the aroma of the tofu, which makes it so amazing. I hope that everyone also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. I will see everyone again next Friday for another awesome recipe. So bye for now.